Hi, Faisal with you, a techno-functional consultant from Swophistic software solution. Today we are just giving a description about our project ERP features. This is the main screen. Here we can see the alerts and approval notifications. Alerts in the sense a type of expiry. Before the expiry, we'll get the alerts like the company document expiries, employee documents expiry like a visa, Emirates ID, like PDC alerts, PDR alerts, and payable alerts based on the due date, receivable alerts from the customer. Approval these are notification. Any person who prepared any document, any PO, any quotation, so he needs to get the approval from the authorized person. This is called workflow. So once he prepared, it will give a notification to the authorized person. Then he can go to the document. The authorized person can go to the document after verification. He can give the authorization or he can post it. Okay, now we are coming to other features. In the previous video we already discussed regarding the quotation related things. Okay, we discussed. So after that they received the LPO as well. So what is the next stage? Next stage is to get the advance payment. So raising the invoice. Once they receive the payment, also live contracting, it's all to receive the payment. Here we can see data like which bank, which is a branch, which is a check number, which date, check date, everything. Now they are going to start the project. So absolutely the project manager will send on a material request to the store manager or who is the concerned person. So he will he will select the project and what are the items he needs: aluminum sheet, glass sheet, whatever it is, blah blah blah, like that. The quantity, everything he can mention, that he can edit. Another one thing, this is called core sheet item. Core sheet item in the sense, either he can directly enter what are the items required, otherwise he can just link with the core sheet items. So as per the estimation, already they defined break up what are the materials included in this project. So he can bring all the those materials items from that core sheet itself. Then he can, if he needs, he can edit also. It's for a shortcut. Okay, so then who is the responsible person in the store? He can check the items level as per the request. What are the stocks available here, everything. If any new item, he can create the new item also. So this is item master. In item master there are three types of items. One is raw material, one is finished goods, another one is fixed item. Okay, so some of the items are like some categories like some of inventory types, some of like only consumables, no need to count in inventory or in stock. So everything can be controllable in the system. Okay, so absolutely nest, if there is no enough stock, in most cases, in most scenarios, most of the purchase is happening based on the projects. So this is a supplier master. They can define the supplier. Okay, there also they have to mention the TRN number of the supplier and other the contact details, credit periods, blah blah, blah, like that. Select the supplier and in which location, warehouse 1, warehouse 2, which is job number, for which job they purchasing. So this is at the end of the day we can analyze what are the materials purchased for that particular project. For this dimension we can get the details. Okay, so this is a purchase requisition. Purchase requisition in the sense they can send for the they can send multiple purchase requisition to vendors, different vendors. Then they will receive the quotation from the supplier. After that they can verify which is the best quotation. Then they can select one supplier, they can send an LPO. Okay, once a LPO sent, then when they receive the items, it has to be entered as a goods received note. Okay, good. After receiving all the goods received, then when they receive the invoice, they can post the GRN also as invoice. So they will get the supply statements here. Supply statement will be coming here, so one of the GRN coming here. Okay, so the statement of the supplier also available. Any sales return, that also possible. Purchase return also available in the system. Whatever transactions related to the supplier, it will be reflecting in the supplier statements. It can be export to Excel, it can be export to PDF or direct print, whatever it is possible. So once the items received, then there's another step for production. Sometimes it's a direct delivery to the site, or it can be a production also. So whatever it is, first we will go for the production, so which is a job number. Everywhere the job number is a must, means which is a project. So there is a format for the import. It is very easy to, so for user friendly, just to export it, just to import it, it will get all the items. Then they can customize what are the works to be done on each item. In this example, we can see cut, polish, hole drill, paint, template, miter, bevel, acid etching, cutout. These are the properties of aluminum and glass related business. Like that, any other business we have to define as per the customer requirement. Under production, what are the milestones are there, properties are there. So for each item we can define this. So it is very easy to identify how is our production, how is our items are ready. After completion of production, the company can create their own sticker, and each product will be unique. So there will be a unique number with the project number if we need each unique number with the company logo is a sticker print. Okay, that also available. Then it can be mentioned for each item it is delivered or not. Okay, now we are going to the part of delivery note. Here also which project we need to select, who is a salesperson and who is a driver, means who is a delivery person, which is a vehicle, in which vehicle it is going, delivery location. So what are the items? So this is a document. There will be a printed document. There needs to get the sign from who is the delivery person and who is the responsible person at the site. Both needs to get signed. Okay, it's a document for the company. Okay, after that it's like a progressive invoice. They can do the progressive invoice from the invoice actions. Now it shows nearly 41.16 is totally invoiced. Like that, n number of invoices against a project, they can do that. Okay, this is a small demonstration of project ERP. Then I'm coming to the report parts. This is called a flash report. At a glance, we can find how is my business is going on. Like how many projects are there can be shown here. Then double click each. We can select each projects. You can sort it at any manner. Then double click for each project. We can find how much is the total invoice amount and total agreed amount, any variance, how much is the purchase, how much is the cost, everything can be shown here. And there are some reports as well. It's a common report for like all ERP related application. So bank reconciliation, you can select the which is a bank and can be exported to the Excel. Then absolutely they can cross check any difference. They can adjust through the JVs, bank journals. The JV related part is here. So JV debit note, credit note, bank debit memo, bank credit memo. Then these are the employees. We can define the employees. So their passport number, passport expiry date. What are the documents related to the employees can be tracked over here. So based on that, alerts will be given. Like that, the timesheet also. Timesheet in the sense their attendance. These attendance can be captured in different projects. Today, this employee, that particular employee worked in some particular project from this time to this time, this date to this date. As per that, the complete attendance also can be captured. At the same time, the real cost of a project also based on the manpower, man days, man hour, we can calculate. So a lot of reports can be generated based on these informations. Okay, this is a very short demonstration regarding our project ERP. We know that absolutely there are a lot of descriptive section is required, but in this short time, this is a first level demonstration. If anyone is interested, we can give very detailed session for demonstration. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you very much.